I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas next.
What is good, y'all? Look, I know I clearly need a haircut. I know. Philip, you watching this? Goddamn it! I need a haircut. I'm gonna come up there ASAP. By the time I think this video it goes up, I'm already have a haircut, so it don't really matter. But as see by the title and thumbnail, this is step 1 of 2 of making my illegal. Yeah, this is already legal, but I'm making my illegal car even more illegal. Again, even though it's already legal, I'm making it even more illegal by I'm about to make it go shoot flames. So the only way I can make that happen is if I cut off my muffler. So if you don't know, let's backtrack right now. My exhaust setup right now, I currently have Catalyst downpipe and front pipe and a resonator and my stock mufflers, because I got pulled over and I had to put my stock mufflers back on to get it signed off by CHP. So pretty much now what I'm about to do is taking off my rear mufflers, so I went pretty much, I'm not straight pipe, but to where I can allow more exhaust flow into my exhaust and dump more fuel into my exhaust. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am currently at Pomeroy's Muffler in Santa Ana. You know, but yeah, same city as when where I got my new subs installed. Yeah, man, I actually can't wait. My exhaust, well, my rear muffler is currently on the ground right there. The car right there is already on the rack right there. Can't wait, man. I was already used to being around my car that I was already loud, so it's gonna be loud as hell, man. It's gonna be loud, but this is step 1 to making my car shoot flames. So when my car was full bolts on and running E30, a mix of E85 and 91 octane, my car would snap, crackle, and pop, but not like consistently. And then it'll literally do it like random stuff. I'll literally have to heat my engine super up high, which I don't want to do, to make it shoot, but just a little bit. So yeah, I gotta do a fucking a ghetto rig for now because my car is too low. So gotta stick. Damn. Let's see. I might have to add a tip. Yeah, I might have to add the tip. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add the tip to it. Yeah, I look weird without it. I appreciate it. Rear muffler is right there. Yeah, I can't have my car without tips on the end, so that looks pretty weird, man. But I ain't gonna lie. This Lucky Burger spot over here, it looks mighty delicious. I ain't been to the gym in a week, so yeah, I already done fell off low key, but I'm not eating horrible, but I fell off because I ain't been in the gym in over a week, only because I've been in Florida traveling, just super busy. Even though there's no excuses because my gym is 24/7, so no excuses. But yep, gotta add a tip to the car. But anyways, yeah, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. I got Jeep Rubicon Gladiator right here. Super nice. Still want one, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, but share with everybody, man. 'Cause I got a lot of stuff working, grinding. I'm grinding. I have a whole lot of content I'm coming up with for y'all, specifically for my car. So we gonna make it happen, man. But yeah, I appreciate all y'all for rocking with me. We gonna stay litty because the Sway Gang is the only litty gang in this world, man. So let's get it, let's go, and let's get super loud. Step one. Yes, sir. My car's gonna be super, super loud. But as you know, I'm rocking the Merchant Crocs. So this is usually what I'm wearing every day. Either my white Crocs, I ain't gonna lie, I wear these the most. I need some more white Crocs, but yeah, the car's going to be super, super fucking loud again, but it's okay. Now, do I want my car to be loud? No, I actually hated. I didn't hate my car, but my car was pretty sketchy when it was loud, and it wasn't that loud. But the first like 2 days, because if you don't know, every time you change your exhaust, it takes like a few days for your car to like settle in on the noise. Perfect. I appreciate it. Actually doesn't sound bad at all. It'll be quiet until, of course, I step on it. But yeah, man, we're gonna get the first drive. Appreciate it, thank you. It's gonna be quiet until I step on it, y'all. Oh, let's see, man. Let's see. It's step one of letting my car shoot flames. So I no longer will be able to hear my turbo like that anymore. All right, y'all. So look, my car is actually pretty quiet. So it's right now. I'm just in regular drive, right? Not bad at all. I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna put it in sport mode. So my RPMs is higher. Still not bad. So thank God, because I technically still have a resonator, but it's not my stock resonator. I have an aftermarket resonator on my car. So that plays a huge part in making the car still be at least quiet. Because I'm not gonna lie, I did not want my car to be super loud. But I see a tunnel, so we're gonna try and hit this tunnel real quick right here. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds good still. I like it. I like it a lot. It still sounds super, super good. It's not super loud. Technically it's not even like really loud. It's technically still quiet, but it just has a tone to it. But like I said before, I have to give it like 3 or 4 more days before the exhaust to settle down and stuff like that, man. But so yeah. Whatever I do today, but today I hopefully will be finishing phase number 2 of making my car shoot flames. So yeah, man, in the meantime, I'm finna go grab some food. And I love that I still hear my turbo clearly. Fuck, I like this a lot. So yeah, man, I appreciate all y'all for rocking with me. Oh, we can be cool. Now I can actually re-add my Burble tune and do all that. So that's what I need to do. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go get some food, as I said before, and chill for a minute. So I appreciate all y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.
I need the racks like a bimbo, serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kias with a hustle with your Mendo. Had to get it off the mental, had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo, step a step a step.